Diphenhydramine hydrochloride, a name that might seem complex and scientific, but in reality it's a medication that many of us have encountered at some point in our lives. The name might sound intimidating, but it's likely a medication you know well. It's a common ingredient in many over-the-counter remedies that we reach for in times of need. More commonly known by brand names like Benadryl, this over-the-counter drug is a staple in medicine cabinets worldwide. It's a go-to solution for a variety of everyday ailments. Its versatility is remarkable, offering relief from allergies, insomnia, and even anxiety. Whether you're dealing with a runny nose, itchy skin, or sleepless nights, diphenhydramine hydrochloride can be a reliable companion. From soothing itchy hives to calming pre-flight jitters, diphenhydramine hydrochloride has become a trusted ally for millions. Its ability to address such a wide range of symptoms makes it an invaluable part of many people's healthcare routines. But how did this multi-purpose medication come to be? The story of diphenhydramine hydrochloride is one of scientific discovery and innovation. It was first developed in the 1940s by Dr. George Revachol, a chemical engineer who was searching for a better antihistamine. And what are the key things to know about its uses and potential side effects? While it's effective for many conditions, it's important to use it responsibly. Overuse or misuse can lead to unwanted side effects such as drowsiness, dry mouth, and even more serious health issues. This exploration delves into the world of diphenhydramine hydrochloride, uncovering its history, benefits, and considerations for safe and effective use. We'll look at how it works in the body, the best ways to use it, and what to watch out for. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to this versatile medication, understanding its full potential can empower you to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. By knowing more about diphenhydramine hydrochloride, you can use it more effectively and safely, ensuring that it remains a helpful tool in your healthcare arsenal for years to come. The story of diphenhydramine hydrochloride begins in the 1940s with a chemist named George Revachol. Working at the University of Cincinnati, Revachol was searching for new antihistamines, medications that block the effects of histamine, a chemical released by the body during allergic reactions. His discovery, diphenhydramine hydrochloride, proved to be a breakthrough. It effectively blocked histamine, providing relief from allergy symptoms like sneezing, itching, and runny nose. Patented in 1943 and first marketed in 1946 under the brand name Benadryl, it quickly gained popularity as an effective antihistamine. At its core, diphenhydramine hydrochloride is an antihistamine. Histamine, while naturally occurring in the body, is responsible for the unpleasant symptoms we experience during allergies. When we encounter allergens like pollen, dust mites, or pet dander, our bodies release histamine, triggering a cascade of reactions. Diphenhydramine works by blocking histamine receptors, effectively preventing histamine from binding to cells and causing these reactions. This action provides relief from common allergy symptoms, including sneezing, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, and skin reactions like hives and itching. Beyond its allergy-fighting properties, diphenhydramine hydrochloride is well known for its sedative effects. This drowsiness is actually a side effect of its antihistamine action. By blocking histamine in the central nervous system, diphenhydramine reduces alertness and promotes relaxation, leading to sleepiness. This sedative effect has led to its widespread use as a non-habit-forming sleep aid, often found in over-the-counter sleep medications. For occasional insomnia or difficulty falling asleep, diphenhydramine can be an effective short-term solution. Section 5. Taming anxiety, an unconventional ally. While not its primary use, diphenhydramine hydrochloride can also provide relief from mild anxiety. Its calming and sedative effects can help to reduce feelings of nervousness, restlessness, and tension. This is particularly helpful for situational anxiety, such as pre-travel jitters or stage fright. However, it's crucial to note that diphenhydramine is not a substitute for professional treatment for anxiety disorders. For chronic or severe anxiety, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Section 6. Finding the right dose, dosage, and administration. This section is crucial for ensuring the safe and effective use of diphenhydramine hydrochloride. The appropriate dosage of diphenhydramine hydrochloride varies depending on several factors, including age, weight, and the specific reason for taking it. It's important to consider these factors to avoid any potential risks. For adults, the typical dose for allergies is 25 to 50 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours as needed. This helps manage symptoms effectively without over-medicating. For sleep, a higher dose of 50 milligrams is commonly taken about 30 minutes before bedtime. This allows the medication to take effect, helping you fall asleep more easily. It's crucial to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by a healthcare professional. Always double-check the dosage and timing to ensure you're taking the medication correctly. Taking more than the recommended dose can increase the risk of side effects such as drowsiness, dizziness, and even more severe reactions. Prolonged use should be avoided without medical supervision to prevent dependency and other health issues. It's also helpful to set reminders for taking your medication, whether through a phone app or a simple calendar. This ensures you don't miss a dose and helps maintain a consistent schedule. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you have any questions or concerns about your dosage. They can provide personalized advice based on your medical history and current health status. Finally, store your medication safely out of reach of children and pets. Proper storage helps maintain the medication's effectiveness and prevents accidental ingestion. Section 7. Side effects. Navigating potential risks. While generally safe when used as directed, diphenhydramine hydrochloride can cause side effects, most commonly drowsiness, dry mouth, and dizziness. These effects are usually mild and temporary, but it's essential to be aware of them, especially when engaging in activities requiring alertness, such as driving or operating machinery. In some cases, more serious side effects like confusion, rapid heartbeat, or difficulty urinating can occur. If you experience any unusual or severe side effects, discontinue use and seek medical attention immediately. Section 8. Real-life relief testimonials and applications. Millions of people worldwide rely on diphenhydramine hydrochloride for relief from a range of ailments. From seasonal allergy sufferers to individuals struggling with occasional insomnia, its versatility is evident in countless personal stories. One user shares, "Diphenhydramine is a lifesaver during allergy season. It stops my sneezing and itchy eyes so I can actually function." Another recounts, "When I can't sleep, a dose of diphenhydramine helps me drift off peacefully without feeling groggy the next morning." Section 9. Responsible use, balancing benefits and risks. Diphenhydramine hydrochloride is a valuable tool for managing various health concerns, but responsible use is key to maximizing its benefits while minimizing potential risks. Always follow dosage instructions carefully and be mindful of potential side effects, especially drowsiness. It's also essential to consult a healthcare professional before using diphenhydramine if you have any underlying health conditions, are taking other medications, or if symptoms persist or worsen. Section 10. The enduring legacy of diphenhydramine hydrochloride. From its humble beginnings in a chemist's lab, diphenhydramine hydrochloride has evolved significantly over the decades. Initially discovered in the 1940s, this compound quickly became a cornerstone in the field of antihistamines. Today, it is widely recognized and used across the globe. Its journey from a simple laboratory experiment to a household name is a testament to its effectiveness and versatility. Diphenhydramine hydrochloride has undoubtedly left its mark on medicine. Its efficacy in treating a variety of conditions such as allergies, insomnia, and even anxiety has made it a mainstay in countless homes. This medication offers relief to generations, providing comfort and improving quality of life for many. Whether it's a parent giving their child medicine for a runny nose, an elderly person managing their sleep issues, or someone seeking relief from anxiety, diphenhydramine hydrochloride has proven to be a reliable solution. As we move forward, it's crucial to continue using this versatile medication responsibly. Healthcare professionals play a vital role in advising patients on the correct usage and potential side effects, ensuring that it is used safely and effectively. Respecting its potential while remaining aware of its limitations is essential. Patients should always read warning labels and follow medical advice to avoid any adverse effects. By doing so, we can ensure that diphenhydramine hydrochloride continues to provide safe and effective relief for years to come. Its enduring legacy is a reminder of the importance of responsible medication use and the impact it can have on our lives.